it's your girl Kia Cole and I'm back with a video. So what is up? If you are new to my channel, just make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You'll be the first one to know about it. On my channel, you'll see anything from fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I have something new and well, it's not new. So today I'm coming back to you guys. Last week I mentioned that I wanted to do Wig Wednesday for all of my girls out there because I see that my wig videos are popping at the moment. So I also have a playlist for you guys. If you are interested in the wig videos, just check that link up above. I have a new wig. So this one is from Beauty Forever and I am doing a collaboration with this company. They sent me this wig for free and I'm gonna put it on for you guys to show you how it looks and give you my honest opinion about this wig, because you know that's all we do on this channel is honesty and we don't play. I give you the real tea, okay? So today we'll be putting this wig on, but we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into this video. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the box up. This is how the company sent me the package. It came in a box like this, but it was also in packaging. I believe it was the Amazon packaging. I'm not 100% sure, but this wig you can purchase on Amazon, and I will leave all of the details in the description below so you can purchase your wig as well. And on the back, it also tells you how to maintain your wig when it comes to like the styling of it and how to take care of it and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This is my first time opening. I didn't open it, you guys, yet. So inside, we have the wig. They also gave us, I'm gonna guess that this is the headband that you put around or either a satin cap. And then they also gave me a wig cap. I wish I would have knew that before I went to the store and purchased my own. But they did give me a wig cap to put on. So, now the details of this wig. This, I'm a little nervous because this is my first time trying this type of wig, so I don't know how this is gonna work out. I wanted to go and get it done, but I thought it'd be more convenient for those who like to put on their own wigs and you probably don't have time to go and get it done. So this will be my first T wig that I am trying out, and the curl pattern is body wave, of course. And if you don't know what a T-wig is, the difference between a T-wig and a regular wig is that it already has a pre-part. So one time I heard a stylist say that they don't like the T-wigs. I'm not 100% sure why. I've never purchased it before, but I saw them mention it on Instagram. But if you're someone who's doing this at home, I don't see why this will be such a big deal. It does have combs inside. So 2 on the side and the front. And then it has 1 in the back as well. Oops. It also has the little drawstring so you can adjust it. And this is a lace front wig, you guys. It also has this little piece in the back, I guess if you want to put it up to make it natural. But I never really do that. But yes, this is a lace front wig. It's pre-plucked. If you look at the front, you can see that it's already plucked. And it has like a part. So this is not a free part wig. You won't be able to part it anywhere. This will just be something that is down the middle. So I'm guessing that's why it's called T-part. But if I found out more information, I will post what a T-part is right after this slide. So yeah. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig because I don't want this video to be long, and then we're gonna see how it looks, okay? So stay tuned. So like I said before, this is my first time trying this T-part wig. So I am a beginner as well, but don't click off of my video because we gonna learn through this together, okay? We gonna stick it out together and figure it out. So I will do all of the glue stuff. I just wanna see how it looks first before I do that whole process. So I'm going to just put the wig on my head so I can see how it sits, what it feels like. Okay. Look like Curly Sue a little bit or whatever. but this is what it looks like. You can see it has a pre-part already, so if you want, you could probably pluck that a little bit more, and I believe when you add makeup, it'll give you more of a definition. So this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and install my cap and do the whole process of the melting, and I'll be right back. So I'm back, you guys. Now it's time for the big reveal. I went ahead and did some curls. This side is not cooperating. Let me see if I can fix this little piece right here. One thing I will say about this hair is it's very, very soft. So I didn't really need to put a lot of product. It doesn't have a lot of flyaways. You know how when up here, when you have to use your wax stick, I didn't have to put that on there. The hair is just smooth and silky. It doesn't need much product at all. When I curled my hair, I just used the heat protector and I put like a glosser. But other than that, that was it. So I didn't use a lot of product on this hair. And as you can see, the curls take very well as well. So I'm going to take this off. I hope it looks good, because I tried to do some baby hairs, but I'm not really good at baby hair. So we'll see how this turns out. You guys don't judge me, please. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I'm going to try to comb out a little bit of the curls just so I can get like a bounce. Yeah, I put a little bit of makeup on the parts But this is the final piece of the hair. As you can see, I told you guys I try to do a little baby hair. I don't know what that does, but I'm probably should just let it natural. I'm gonna stay back here. I ain't gonna go up or zoom up or whatever because it's looking a little crazy. But anywho, I tried to do what I could with what I had. I'm not a stylist or a professional, but this is how it looks. I am satisfied. Like, I've been wanting to get my hair done for so long, and I just love the texture of this hair. I love the bounce. Like, the curls held up pretty good. I'm not a specialist when it comes to curling. I just have like a small technique that I do. So maybe if I would have did like some holding spray or some spritz or something, then the curls would go longer. Or if I was to let it sit for a little while or do like a little pinning thing with the curls, then it might work. But it is like, I don't even know what time it is, but I just got off of work. I came home and I just said, okay, well, let me just do a video. It's probably about 11 or 12 o'clock at night. So I just really wanted to test this wig out, and I love the results. I hope you guys love the results. I hope it looks cute on camera when I go to edit it. But yeah. So this is the hair. You guys just let me know what you think. Like I said, I put some makeup on the edges. I did my little the baby hairs. This wig wasn't hard to install at all. If you are a beginner, it may be a little bit difficult when it comes to the glue, but I'm not sure if you could wear this without the glue, like as a glueless wig. You could try it and cut the lace off, but it's just how to keep it tightened will be the question. But other than that, like, I'm very satisfied with it. Like, the curls look amazing. Like, I just came out of the hair salon. This hair has great bounce. Oh, look at that. Hey, hey, hey. Like, the bounce is everything. Look at that, girl. Ooh. Y'all see that? But yes, this is like, it's my hair for a second. If I don't go up close, I think I probably shouldn't have did the baby hairs, but I tried, y'all. I'm not a big plucker. Like, I don't know how to do that either. So if you don't know how to pluck, then this is the video for you, because I don't know how to do it either. So we're in the same boat. But as you can see, this hair looks luscious, natural. You don't need much product. The only thing, I kid you not, I use this glosser to add a little shine. It's by Pink. And then I use this for my heat protector. I don't have the spray. I usually use the spray because I love it better than the cream, because the cream you have to rub in your hand and then put on the hair, and then you don't want to put too much. But this hair is giving me life. I don't know about y'all, but it's real cute or whatever. So I hope you guys were feeling this video. I didn't say the price of the wig. Hold on. Okay, so the details of this wig was from Amazon. This is a 16-inch T-body wig. No, I said that wrong. This is a T-part body wave wig. The price was $101. And because I got it off of Amazon, of course I have Amazon Prime. If you do not, you don't know what you're missing, because Amazon Prime is what you need to get your shipping in like 2 days. So if you're going on a trip and you order it on Monday, you will be getting it in time. It does hold curls. I'm not the best curler in the world, but I use the Infinity Pro curling iron. I feel like this wig has low maintenance. I hope you guys are feeling this look. I hope you're feeling this video. I am super excited that I finally got my hair done, and it's going to stay down. Glue that I used was the Bow Hold Active. I have the Bow Hold Extreme, but I guess this one is good for if you need something that's waterproof. So I have both of them, but I use this one. So like, it's not lifting at all. It's pretty secured. Please leave a comment below if you have tried this company before. If you have not, leave another comment below and let me know which company I should try next. Speaking of wigs, so I'm gonna give you guys a little secret, a little tip, so you guys can be back next week. I am am going to have a $20, well, it wasn't really $20, it was like $26 wig from Amazon. I purchased 2 of them, but I'm only going to drop 1 video at a time because I need you guys to come back and check your girl out and see what I have. So I will have a $26 wig that I purchased from Amazon, and it's real cute or whatever. I hope I don't look like nobody auntie, but I want you guys to see what I picked, and hopefully by then I'll have my cute little setup in my office. So make sure you guys tune in every Wednesday for Wig Wednesday. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You'll be the first one to know about it. You guys stay safe and have a good night.